How to switch accounts on YouTube. Hello everyone! If you have multiple YouTube accounts and want to switch from one to another, I'm going to show you how. This is important to know since most YouTube users are subscribed to different channels with different accounts. Let's get started. Open YouTube on your phone and go to your channel or profile. Then, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, click on Account. A new window will open with all the Gmail accounts you're logged into on your phone. If your Gmail account isn't listed here, click on the plus sign and add it. If your account is listed like mine, simply click on that account. From now on, YouTube will use the account you selected. That's how you can easily switch accounts on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful to you. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.